Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your go-to channel for all things related to financial growth, property investment, and wealth creation. We're dedicated to providing you with the best strategies, tips, and insights to help you navigate the complex world of finance and real estate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, we're here to support your journey towards financial freedom. One of the key stepping stones to this freedom is the generation of passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, or even while you're at work. Passive income can provide you with a steady stream of revenue without requiring your constant attention or effort. The beauty of passive income is that it can be generated with a minimal budget, making it accessible to almost anyone. Today, we're going to share 10 ideas for generating passive income on a budget. So, buckle up and let's dive in. The first idea is peer-to-peer lending. Now, what exactly is that? Well, it's a modern twist on a classic practice. Imagine lending money to a friend or neighbor in need, but on a larger digital scale. That's peer-to-peer lending. Instead of borrowing from traditional banks, individuals and businesses can borrow from everyday people like you, creating a win-win situation. You, as the lender, can earn interest on the loans you provide, generating a steady stream of passive income. But how does it work? It's simple. You sign up on a peer-to-peer lending platform, select the borrowers you want to fund based on their credit risk profile, and then you lend your money. The platform facilitates repayment and you earn interest. The potential returns can be significant, often surpassing traditional savings and investment vehicles. With peer-to-peer lending, you can earn passive income while helping others. The second idea is renting out your space. Let's think about that spare room gathering dust, or maybe that vacant parking spot. These are assets, opportunities for you to generate passive income. It's a simple concept, really. You have space that someone else needs. Just picture this: a student looking for a quiet place to stay, a traveler seeking a homely atmosphere, or even a neighbor needing extra parking. Your unused space can be their solution. And the best part? You get paid for it. Platforms like Airbnb and Spacer make it easy to list your space, set your price, and start earning. And don't worry about safety. These platforms have measures in place to protect both parties. So why not make your home work for you? Dust off that spare room, free up that parking space, and turn them into passive income generators. Remember, space is a valuable asset that can generate a good passive income. The third idea is creating an online course. In a world where knowledge is power, sharing what you know can be a lucrative endeavor. You see, online courses are a booming market. From cooking to coding, personal development to professional skills, there's a thirst for knowledge out there that you can quench. Creating an online course is simpler than it sounds. First, identify a subject you're proficient in. Next, outline your course, breaking it down into digestible modules. Use a mix of text, audio, and video for variety. Then find a platform. There are many out there, such as Udemy or Teachable, that make it easy to host and sell your course. The income potential? Well, it largely depends on the price of your course and the demand for your topic. But remember, once the course is made, it can generate income over and over again. Share your knowledge and earn money doing it. The fourth idea is affiliate marketing. This is a business model where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. The process is quite simple. You find a product or service you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale you make. It's like being a middleman, but without the hassle of maintaining inventory or dealing with customer service. You just need to create engaging content that attracts an audience and subtly promotes the product. You could be writing blog posts, creating YouTube videos, or even sharing affiliate links on your social media platforms. When someone makes a purchase using your unique affiliate link, you get paid. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be done on your own time, at your own pace, and with a minimal upfront investment. With the right strategy and a bit of patience, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. The fifth idea is stock market investments. Now, stock market investments might seem intimidating, but it's all about understanding the basics. You see, when you purchase a stock, you're buying a slice of a company. As the company grows and profits, so does your investment. This can lead to a steady stream of passive income in the form of dividends. These dividends are essentially a portion of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. So as the company you've invested in does well, you'll receive a share of those profits. However, it's crucial to remember that the stock market can be unpredictable. prices can rise and fall due to a plethora of factors. Therefore, it's essential to diversify your investments to mitigate potential losses. Never invest blindly. Always do your research. Understand the company, its business model, and its potential for growth. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to generate passive income, but remember to do your research. The sixth idea is starting a blog. Now you might be thinking, isn't blogging a thing of the past? But let me assure you, it's as relevant today as it ever was. The beauty of starting a blog is that anyone can do it. You just need a topic you're passionate about and the ability to communicate it effectively. So how do you monetize a blog? Well, there are several ways. You can incorporate affiliate marketing, where you promote products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your blog. You can also use Google AdSense, which allows you to earn money by placing ads on your blog. Furthermore, you can offer sponsored posts or sell your own products. The potential for passive income is substantial. With consistent effort and quality content, your blog can attract a steady stream of traffic, which translates into revenue. Blogging can be a fun and profitable way to generate passive income. The seventh idea is selling digital products. Now, what's fascinating about this digital age is that there are countless products you can create and sell, all from the comfort of your home. You could design ebooks, music, graphic design, software, or even digital courses. The possibilities are almost endless. First, you'll need to identify what digital product you want to sell. Maybe you're a whiz at Photoshop, or perhaps you can write engaging ebooks. Once you've pinpointed your product, you'll need to create it. This process may take some time, but remember, you're crafting a product that could potentially generate income for years to come. Then it's time to market your product. You could use your own website or take advantage of platforms like Etsy or Shopify. With the right marketing strategy, your digital product could reach millions of potential customers around the world. Selling digital products can be a great way to earn passive income. The eighth idea is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. In essence, REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They work somewhat like mutual funds for real estate, offering a way for individuals to invest in large-scale, income-producing real estate without having to buy the properties themselves. You can buy shares of a REIT on major stock exchanges just like any other stock. The beauty of REITs is that they're required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders annually. This means consistent dividends for you, the investor, which can be a reliable source of passive income. It's important to remember, though, that as with any investment, there are risks involved. The value of the REIT can go up or down, and the dividends are not guaranteed. Nonetheless, for those looking to dip their toes into real estate investing without the hefty upfront costs, REITs can be a good way to earn passive income from real estate without the need to buy properties. The ninth idea is dropshipping. Now, what exactly is dropshipping? Well, it's a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. The seller never sees or handles the product. This might sound like a complex business model, but it's actually quite simple and can be incredibly profitable. The key is to find a reliable supplier, set up an online store, and start selling. You won't need a warehouse or have to worry about shipping and handling. Your main focus will be on customer service and marketing your store. And the best part? It can be a source of passive income. Once you've set up your store and established a customer base, the income can keep rolling in with little to no effort on your part. Dropshipping can be a profitable way to earn passive income without the need to handle inventory. The 10th and final idea is creating a mobile app. Mobile apps are everywhere these days, making our lives easier and more connected. But did you know that you can turn this digital trend into a source of passive income? The process begins with a light bulb moment, an innovative and unique idea that fills a gap in the market. Then you sketch out your vision, design the user interface, and develop the app itself. You don't need to be a tech wizard to do this. There are plenty of platforms and resources out there that can guide you along the way. Once your app is up and running, you can monetize it through in-app purchases, ads, or even subscriptions. The beauty of this is that once the work is done, the app continues to generate income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. Creating a mobile app can be a rewarding way to generate passive income. So, there you have it, 10 ideas for generating passive income on a budget. We've journeyed through the world of peer-to-peer lending, explored the potential of renting out your space, and dived into the exciting realm of online courses. We've unpacked the allure of affiliate marketing and the promise of stock market investments. We've delved into the creative sphere of starting a blog and selling digital products. We've ventured into the lucrative field of real estate investment trusts and the dynamic world of dropshipping. And finally, we've touched on the innovative prospect of creating a mobile app. Each of these avenues holds the potential to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. Now it's over to you to take these ideas and start generating your own passive income. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more tips and ideas on wealth creation. Until next time, happy investing.